Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on JASMY. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that JASMY first broke out a descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, and after that, it formed a smaller down channel on the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And we also had a fake out from this down channel. And when I shared my last video, at that time, it was getting bounced from this uptrend line, a quite long-term uptrend line support. And I was telling you that now there is a probability that after getting squeezed inside this uptrend line support and the resistance of the channel, the price and may try to break out the resistance of the channel once again. Now, recently you can see that we have broken out the resistance and again dropped down and testing the previous resistance of the channel as support. At the same time, we are also testing this uptrend line support as well. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then we can see that we found this uptrend line support here. On 1st of May 2024, we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And this is the most recent bounce we had here. And now the price is again about to test this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big falling wedge pattern and from this descending triangle as well. In fact, when the movement inside this wedge was quite squeezed in those days, I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon it may break out the resistance and then it may start a very massive rally. And you can see that it had started a very massive parabolic bull run. And so far, from this low to this current high, from this low here up till this current high, you can see that it has rallied almost 1540%. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for WRX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 19th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of JASMY. And here, recently on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we broke out the resistance of this descending triangle. And by the way, the target for this breakout from this descending triangle was here. That was at this long-term resistance, a short-term resistance, by the way, we have found here at 3.13 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And now recently, it has formed another smaller down channel on the 4-hour time frame chart. And here we had a fake out, but the pricing got rejected by this short-term resistance of 3.84 cents. That was previously working as a resistance here and support here and resistance here and drop down and again. And now again, after getting bounced from this uptrend line support, you can see that this uptrend line support is coming from 1st of May 2024 when the price line was moving at the support of this bigger descending triangle as well. And since then, it is working as a very nice support. And after getting bounced from this support recently, the price line has once again broken out the resistance of this channel. And now again, drop down at this uptrend line support. And if the price line now hits the target for the breakout from this channel after getting bounced from this support once again, then target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 4.5 cents. But in my point of view, there will be a very high probability that the price line may also try to break out this long-term resistance of 5 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that this 5 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here back in the month of March 2022. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout that has happened on this 7-day time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern, and in my so many previous videos, I've been telling you that target as well. And that technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 18 cents to 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.